Hello parents. This week we are starting our second week of division practice with different strategies. A new strategy that might look a little foreign to you is the rectangular array or area model division strategy. So I wanted to give you a recording on how I teach the kids to do it, so if they have struggles at home, you can help them. So our problem is 7,650 divided by 5. You'll take your divisor of 5 and put it above your rectangular array. Your dividend of 7,650 is going to come over here to the right because will be subtracting that number and trying to get it to 0 so that we know we're done with our problem. So I teach the kids, how many times will 5, my dividend, go into my 7 over here? It will go in 1 time. Since I put it into 7, I teach the kids, I put a box around the 7. However many digits did not make it into the box, 1, 2, 3, become zeros for 1,000 to hold the place value of those 3 digits that we didn't take into account yet. Now we multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. I have 3 zeros, they go on the end, 5,000. I now subtract that from, 5,000, I'm sorry. I subtract this 5,000 from my dividend. I get 0, 5, 6, and 2. Now I will try and divide 5 into my first digit here is 2. 5 will not fit into 2. So I need to put it into 26. Since I put it into 26, I box around that. 5 goes into 26 5 times without going over. I have 2 digits that did not make it in. They become zeros to hold the place value of the 2 digits that did not make it in the box. Come over here to multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. I have 2 zeros so 5 times 500 is actually 2,500. I bring it over here and I subtract. My goal is to get this to 0, 1. Now I say, will 5 go into 1? It will not go into 1, but it will go into 15, so I box around 15. It will go into 15 3 times. It goes right here on the outside. 3. I'm sorry, there's a digit on the outside that didn't make it in, so I need to represent it over here. I put a 0. 3 times 5 is 15. And then my 1 0 goes on the end. I subtract 150. I'm now at 0 over here. So now that my dividend is down to 0, I take these numbers on the outside and I add them up. I know it would be 0, 3, 5, 1. 1,530. 7,650 divided by 5 is 1,530. I always tell the kids they have to check their answer using another method, so they could either check it using long division, you know, the way that we learned when we were in school, divided by 5, or they can also multiply their answer by their divisor to get their dividend. Long division's a little bit easier because that is what we are used to. This is a new way that is a strategy they will be required to know. If you have any questions, you know to email me. Talk to you soon. Bye.